And this is another advice how to. So when we onboard our clients, we obviously ask all the details, and we need to go through the process called authorization. So that means that we can call HMRC Customs on your behalf, and we can submit your tax return on your behalf and see the activities on your account. So there are two ways to go through the authorization. So you will go to the Google search and search authorize your agent 648. And then if you could download that document and fill it all in for whatever tax you want to authorize us for. So you put your name and surname, so John Smith, your name of the company, so it's JS Plumbing Limited, or it's not limited, it's that depends. And you authorize BIKING Bookkeeper Limited, and then you put your information. So it's 13 Smith Lane. Obviously, put your own details in, and then you put Warrington, wherever your address is, your personal address. Okay, and your telephone number. Okay. Okay, and this bit is for you to sign and date after you print it out, because obviously this all needs to be printed out and posted. So our address is 13 Stonefit Close, and it's Lowton, it's Wigan, and WA32TD is our address. And then our phone number is 01925 398 we will give you all the codes depending on what authorization you're going to be requesting. So for the self-assessment or for corporation tax, and then we will give you the client reference to fill in prior. If you need authorization for corporation tax, you click that and fill your company registration number and your company unique tax reference. So this number you will find on your correspondence from Companies House, and this number you will find on correspondence from HMRC Revenue and Customs. But please note, the letter should be posted to your limited company's name, not your personal name, because your unique tax reference number for you is different. We do not deal with tax credits, so that's something you can opt out. For VAT purposes, again, you take and you put your VAT number. If you are not registered, we're in a process of registering and we still deal with your business, then you can take it here, and they will refer to the company unique tax reference number or your personal tax reference. If we deal with your self-assessment tax return, you click self-assessment. If with partnership, you click partnership, or both, it doesn't matter. And then you put your own personal national insurance number and your unique tax reference number. Again, you'll find the UTR on any correspondence from HMRC Customs, which is posted to you, to your name, not your limited company's name. When it comes to partnership, it's the main partner's UTR. If it's on the way and we only have got your national insurance number, you fill the national insurance number and you tick here. And then we can receive your correspondence. So if you're happy for us to receive the correspondence, you take this. But we do not deal with trusts. And then if you want help with any tax refunds, and you don't necessarily need to be self-employed, you fill this section. So I'll take that. You fill this section. And you fill your national insurance number. So that means if you do pensions or you've got income from abroad, we can sort it out, your self-assessment tax return on your behalf. The same for construction scheme. Again, you put your CIS reference and your employer PAYE reference number here. And and you tick this bit. So you can have as many or as little ticks on the form. So it can be VAT, corporation, CIS, and also your self-employment as a director, self-assessment as a director. So it can be here. And then if you've got any employees as well, again, you follow the instructions, read it all. Then once you're happy with it, print the page 1 and 2. The 3 is just for your reference. And once you printed it out, if you can sign it and date it. If you then can take a picture of it and then send the copy of what you're sending to HR and Customs to us for our reference. And then if you can post it to the address which is shown, Distribution and Employee Office. So don't send it to us, send it to HR and Customs directly. So that's first part of the authorization process through the authorizing your agent letter. The next one is that you will log into your gateway. So you need to find your government gateway ID. Never give your gateway ID to any accountant, any bookkeeper. This is your own. And if they do ask you for it, that is just something's not right, because all professional certified bookkeepers and accountants, they've got their agent access with their one login where all their clients show.